Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you make a refund on Stripe. So firstly, log into your Stripe account. So go to your Stripe account, log in. Once you have logged in, so go to our payments tab here, click on payments. So here, select the one that you want to refund, this transaction that you want to refund. For example, like here, I don't really have one that's active which I want to refund. So what I will just select a random one just for demo purpose. So I'll just select, so you can just select the one that you want to refund. So click on it. So once you click on it here, then on your top right here, you will see a refund option here. So mine, I don't have a refund option because it's not been paid yet. So I don't have an active one. So, but on your top right here, you will see a refund option. So just click on that refund and then select the amount, whether you want to refund, whether it's a full amount or partial amount, whatever. So type in the amount and then click on proceed, and that's it. You will initiate the refund process, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So I hope this information is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.